Hello my friends, I have here a takedown bow. It's made out of hickory, has a stainless steel handle wrapped in leather, and the fit is quite good. I have a machining technique on the table saw that will make the handles round and make a perfect fit inside the stainless steel tubes. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show you the handle. Cut to keep it in register. Nice tight fit. From here I'm going to make the limbs, and the area that needs to be thicker, this will have pieces glued on. I cut a couple black walnut blocks. I'm going to glue these onto the belly. Firm pressure, don't over clamp or it'll squeeze all the glue out and then make the glue joint weak. These are glued up and they need to be trimmed, and the total dimension is over an inch. We need 1 inch finished to go into the handle. This is the handle, stainless steel, and it's a safety bar. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing area that has to slide inside of this tube. And I want to save or be as close as possible to where the cadmium layer was. And since I'm drawing on the outside, it will be oversized slightly. So that will allow me to work it down and be pretty accurate. Perfect. Now that we have this trim to fit the handle, we need to cut at 45 degrees so that it registers when you put the limbs together. This is the lower one. This is the upper one. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to epoxy the handle on. This is the upper limb. And the lower one, I marked how far I want to put it on. Right here's the mark. Okay, now I'm going to use 5-minute epoxy. I want to try to mix this thoroughly and be fairly quick at the mixing. Okay, now my mark is right here, so I want to coat the inside first so that I will have contact on the inside. So we're going to go right to my line. Okay, I'm using this tape because I don't want the epoxy to run out. I'm going to let it set up in the vertical position here. This is the cambrium layer here. I'm using 120 grit. Okay, that's just clogging my sandpaper. So this is a more efficient way of taking that inner bark off. Okay, from there, now we can do the 120. This walnut is going to make a nice contrast with the white. The finish that I like to use is shellac. This is a traditional bow finish. This stitch and all is great. You see it has a little hook right here. It allows you to grab and pull it back through the hole. Great little tool. Brass handle, and it had a few different needles, straight and curved. Here I finished the takedown bow. Put the silencers on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.